Hey YouTube, this is Dante with Dante's Card Dungeon here today to talk about Pendulum cards. Pendulum cards, Pendulum monster cards, can be summoned like regular monsters in your monster zone or used as spell cards and played in the Pendulum zones. Now the Pendulum zones are located at the ends of the spell and trap card zones. And when using it as a spell, you activate it like any other spell, and you can only activate it on your turn. After the spell resolves, it stays on the field, unless a card effect destroys or removes it. You cannot replace the card with another one, unless by an effect. You can Pendulum Summon once per turn during your main phases like a normal summon. When you Pendulum Summon, you can special summon as many monsters as you want from your hand, and as many face-up Pendulum monster cards from your extra deck, because Pendulum monster is destroyed, it goes to your extra deck instead of the graveyard. You have a card in each of your pendulum zones. The levels of the monsters you want to summon are between the pendulum scales of the cards in the pendulum zone. So today, we have Performapal Smile Sorcerer, which is a level 1, and Performapal Celestial Magician, which is level 8. Then you can summon these 4 because they're between level 1 and level 8. I want to thank you for watching. Have a nice night, YouTube.